Greetings everyone, welcome back to Saffron and Saifa's channel.
Yeah!
Alright, so today we have the Chaos Theory Thapungakas right here. This is the original. And here's the DNA scan on the back. And we have another Thapunngaka. I gave it some distinction on its beak and on the wings. Right there. You see it from the original? The difference? Look at that. See that? But nothing on the belly part. I totally forgot, but that's okay. So we have a video today that we're gonna discuss. We have the CEOPTERA. We already did the main carrier, but we haven't done this Archaeornithomimus and the Bapiosaurus. So here it is now. We're gonna unbox this. Alright, there's construction going on in the backyard right now at the school. So I apologize for that. But okay, we're gonna unbox it. Also, we have another surprise here. This box right here. We're gonna unbox it later. Okay guys, we're gonna reveal it. So I have another one here because this one doesn't have a variant yet. So we have to get another one, and also I need one more. I still cannot find one for a repaint. So let's unbox this CEOPTERA or whatever. How do you pronounce this thing? CEOPTERA. Okay guys, let's check it out. Okay, they actually sealed it again. Oops. There you go. I'm not familiar with this dinosaur. I've never heard of it before, but I'm sure it's a pterosaur. It kind of looks like a big Rhamphorhynchus. It's a nice tail. I'm sure these are feathers. Has a nice crest in the head. And there's the DNA scan for you guys. So brand new species from Mattel. It's good that it messed up the eye. Pretty cool. Alright, also we have another dino reveal on the back that I found a few days ago. I'm sure it is the Shringosaurus because I want one more that I'm not gonna dissolve it. I'm gonna keep it that way. So it is a BB. I bet that's the Shringosaurus because the BC is the Miragaia and the BA is the Dilophosaurus. Okay, so let's check that out later. Okay, meanwhile, let's compare to the Thapunngaka now. I need the original separate. Okay. This one. Let's see the size comparison. Oh, so the wingspan of the CEOPTERA is definitely wider, longer. No tatters on the wings, unlike this guy right here. And this Thapunngaka looks scarier. Looks really ferocious. All the sharp teeth right there. Okay. Also, I'd like you to show my custom paint Thapunngaka that I did it. I actually sealed it to protect the paint. It is also a Chaos Theory. It looked like this long ago, and now this is what it looks like now. I googled the color and painted it this way. It still works. There's the DNA scan. The wing still works. Oh, there you go. It still works. It still flaps. So you do that. There's the part. I decided to make it darker. I don't know, if you guys Google this, if you type in Thapunngaka, this color will show as well. You can't really tell the eyes anymore. It's really...
It's covered?
Yeah, it's red.
Oh.
Like the original. It is a red eyes and the color look. It's still visible though, I can still tell.
It's still visible?
So there you go. I have 3 Thapungakas now. Alright. Now what do you think of the color?
Okay.
I like it. Okay, now we will go to our special surprise. Let's put this back in. All my custom paints are always in a plastic bag now. I already did. Okay. Let's check what's in this special box. Oh my goodness. What's inside here?
Need to whip your name for us?
I already did.
You did that too yesterday?
What's in here? What's in here, guys? I'm sure it's not actually the same again What? What? What's that?
You?
We have our sea moss black seed ashwagandha.
What?
Okay, and what else? What do we have here? Oh, oh!
Oh, I wanted that.
Oh my gosh!
Daddy, thank you.
What do we have? We have the Ankylosaurus from Jurassic World Rebirth.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yay! We finally have it.
Sister want to keep this.
Okay.
Sister want to keep
Yes,
this.
sweetheart.
I want to keep
We
it.
finally have it. Nice. Well, all we need is one of these
Thank you,
because there are already plenty of Ankylosauruses. So,
Thank you, Daddy.
yep, there it is for our special surprise today, guys. All right, let's check it out. Let's.
What? What?
Actually, no, not yet. We won't review it yet. All right, guys. Where's our main guy now?
Daddy,
So here it is.
sit it down.
Our CEOPTERA. There's our Jurassic logo, and that's it for today, guys. You guys have a good one now. Thank you again. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Have a good weekend. Bye for now.
Daddy, you should